Hello guys, my name is Sameer Ali and I'm here to teach you English, and I'm also a learner of English language. So I know how much problems we have to, how many problems we have to face in language learning. So considering that problems, I thought that there are many learners who want to improve their English, and they must be facing that problems which I have faced in my learning. I don't say that I have learned all the things in English, but I, I, I believe that I can teach English to someone who wants to do it, and I assure everyone that I will make it easy for you if you need, if you want, if you have will to do this. And don't be worried that how I am gonna teach you, and that is not your problem. You, I know some people will be thinking that how I am going to teach. So I would say to them that that's not your concern. It's on me. Uh, and the people who are watching this video, I would recommend them. Uh, if you need any contact, any if you need any help in English, I'm ready. I will help you. And if you want to do something great, if you want to be confident, if you want to talk like I'm talking, then you have to do what I I am going to tell you. It is going to be a long journey, but I, from the bottom of my heart, I will make it easy for you, as much easy as you never thought. And be positive and be have a good thinking for learning anything. It is not a thing that we could learn easily. It takes time, consistency, and a lot of time. It is not going to be done in one day, but day, one day it will be done, and that the day it will be done, you will be proud of yourself and as well as on me. So please, if you need, if you want, if you tell that you want to learn something, and comment me if you want to learn something, and give me a thumb and hit the subscribe button that is in front of your eyes, and that will help me out, and that will also help you out. Thank you, and share this channel as much as you can. Uh, this is uh, this channel is called Easy English, which means you know the easy English. Easy, as much easy as you never thought. And I would make it easy with the help of you, with the help of myself, and with the help of God. Thank you, and remember me in your blessings. Thank you for your love.